Hello everyone, we are going to discuss propositions. So a propositional statement is a declarative sentence which is either true or false but not both. For example, Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab and Haryana, which is a true statement or proposition. 2 plus 4 equals to 7, which is a false statement or proposition. 1 plus 1 equals to 2, which is a true statement or proposition. But what are you doing is not a proposition or statement because it's a question. We have some basic logical operators like conjunction, which is also called a AND operation, and disjunction, which is a OR operation, and negation, which is a NOT operation. So a proposition have two choice, either it is true or false. So P and Q will have total four cases like true, 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 false, false, true, and false, false. So P and Q is true when both P and Q are true. Otherwise it is false. P or Q is false when both P and Q are false. Otherwise it is true. For the negation of P, if P is true, then negation of P is false. If P is false, then negation of P is true. Suppose P is the statement Delhi is the capital of India and Q is the statement 2 plus 2 equals to 4. So P and Q is a compound proposition, that is Delhi is the capital of India and 2 plus 2 4 is a compound proposition. We have tautologies and contradictions. So if propositions are true for any truth values of their variables, they are called tautology. So if we get all the true value for the proposition for any combinations, then it's a tautology. If propositions are false for any truth values of its variables, they are called contradictions. So if we get false values for any combination, then this means this is a contradiction. So P or not P is a tautology and P and not P is a contradiction. We have also logical equivalency. We calculate it by truth tables. So suppose like we have the proposition P, roses are red, and Q is the statement like violets are blue. So these two propositions, not P and Q, or negation of P conjunction Q and negation of P disjunction with negation of Q. So these two propositions are logically equivalent because they have the same truth values for the combinations in the truth tables. So this is FTT and this is FTTT, same values. So this is the proposition. It is not the case that roses are red and violets are blue, and roses are not red or violets are not blue. So these two are equivalent statements. We have also laws of the algebra of propositions like idempotent law. So P or P is logically equivalent to P, P and P is logically equivalent to P. We have associative laws like P or Q or R is logically equivalent to P or Q or R. So order does not matter here. Same for the AND operation. We have distributive laws like disjunction is distributed over conjunction and conjunction is distributed over disjunction. We have complement laws like P or not P is logically equivalent to truth, and negation of true is logically equivalent to false, and P and not P is logically equivalent to false, and negation of false is logically equivalent to true. We have involution laws like negation of a proposition two times is logically equivalent to same proposition. We have also De Morgan's laws like negation of P and Q is logically equivalent to negation of P or negation of Q. We have conditional and biconditional statement. So conditional statement is P implies Q statement. which is also if P then Q or P only if Q. And we have the biconditional statement like P if and only if Q. So the truth table is given here, P implies Q and P if and only if Q. So P implies Q tells if P then Q. So if P is true then Q is true. So suppose we have the proposition like P, today is the rain, and Q is the proposition roads are wet. So if today is the rain then roads are wet, then this is true. Second is if today is the rain then roads are not wet, this is not possible, so this is false. Okay. Third is if today is not rain but roads are wet, so this may be true because there may be other reasons by which roads are wet. But today is not rain and roads are not wet, so this is true. So this is not impacting, so this is true. And P if and only if Q. So if P is true and Q is true, this is true. If P is false and Q is false, then this is true. Otherwise it is false. P implies Q and not P or Q are logical equivalent because they have the same truth values for the truth table.